The AI revolution is changing the way we interact with technology. Every passing day, we are witnessing increasingly more advanced AI and robots. Every now and then, we come across a news report or a video showing a talking humanoid robot, or a dog-like robot entertaining people with its stunts. Cute and horrifying are the two most common responses when people see robots live in action. It is something that was only seen in science fiction movies previously. With constant advancements in machine learning, it is only a matter of a few years before we'll get to see fully conversational robots. With its impeccable automation capability, AI is taking over most of the jobs previously performed by human beings. In today's video, we will be showing you the jobs that AI will replace by 2030. Without further ado, let's begin. What jobs AI will replace? One of the most extreme historical examples of technology-driven job losses concerns the mechanization of agriculture in the United States. At the end of the 19th century, about half of American workers were employed in this primary sector. Today, their number is between 1 and 2%. The advent of tractors and other agricultural technologies irreversibly pulverized millions of jobs. This transition resulted in substantial short- and medium-term unemployment as jobless farmers migrated to the cities for factory employment. Today, nearly 80% of the American workforce is employed in service industries. Customer service representatives. Most of the time, the queries and problems of customers are repetitive. Answering these queries does not require high emotional or social intelligence. Therefore, AI can be used to provide automated responses to frequently asked questions. These questions may include delivery status, payment confirmation, order cancellation, or refund status. If the bot cannot handle the queries, they'll be forwarded to a human customer service representative. Receptionists. Many multinational corporations are now using robots at their reception. Even the calls are being managed by AI now. You might have experienced it while booking a table at a restaurant, where you can use the online scheduling system instead of talking to an actual representative. The more advanced AI receptionists like M-Reception can see, listen, understand, and talk with guests and customers. Accountants/bookkeepers. Many companies are now using AI for their bookkeeping practices. AI-powered bookkeeping services provide an efficient accounting system and flexibility and security, considering that they are available as cloud-based services. All you need to do is enter your daily transactions into the software, which will take care of the rest. AI will ensure the data is collected, stored, and analyzed correctly. Using an AI accounting service is significantly less costly than paying an employee's salary to do the same job. Software products such as Automation Anywhere, Datamatics, and Blue Prism can automate various office jobs. Systems can be trained to extract and study data from an Excel file. Then there's the data analytics. Products like PricewaterhouseCoopers Halo, for example, can process all of a company's data to look for anomalies rather than relying on an audit. Humans will still be involved in robot training and higher levels of analysis, but the rote work, data entry, copying and pasting, sorting, and reordering will be eliminated. Salespeople. Gone are the days when corporations required salespeople for advertising and retail activities. Advertising has shifted towards web and social media landscapes. The built-in target marketing capabilities in social media allow advertisers to create custom content for different types of audiences. Another can use the self-serve ad marketplaces and generate ads. Brands are working towards connecting with customers using content engagement strategies. Retailers are democratizing the shopping experiences by allowing customers to research the products themselves. You don't have to be accompanied by a salesperson during shopping or checkout. AI can learn your shopping behaviors and patterns and give product recommendations accordingly. One of the best examples of AI in retail is Amazon Go, the world's most advanced shopping technology that requires no checkout. Taxi and truck drivers. Ride-hailing services like Uber and Lyft have revolutionized the taxi business. These companies now focus on autonomous driving, where the robot drives cars. It is inevitable that taxis and buses will all be self-driven and fully autonomous in a few years. Every year, new AI features are added to new models of cars. It's not just about cost savings, as there is currently a shortage of truck drivers. As it is, after all, a tough job with not particularly attractive pay. According to a report by the LA Times, almost 1.7 million American truck drivers will be replaced by robots in the next 10 years. In addition to Uber and Lyft, Waymo, backed by Google, Cruise, backed by GM, Intel and others are among those deeply invested in the utility of taking humans away from driving. Waymo is leading the way in approaching bringing an actual product to market. Retail services. The main responsibilities of shopkeepers in a retail store include tracking inventory, collecting payments, and answering questions with the goal of generating sales. As every supermarket customer knows, employees are already slipping away from the checkout process as stores gradually shift that responsibility onto consumers. Seattle's Amazon Go store is an extreme view of where we're headed. There will also be devices that move around, handle goods, and answer questions. Tally from Syn Robotics performs the repetitive and time-consuming tasks of auditing out-of-stock items, underselling items, misplaced items, and pricing errors. It can work with existing store layouts, and the device can move alongside customers during shopping hours. Proofreaders and translators. There are many AI-powered tools available for writers that they can use to self-check their own writing. The natural language processing capability of such AI tools allows writers to check their writings for readability issues, spelling errors, and grammatical mistakes. Grammarly is a good example of such a tool. You can translate your writing into hundreds of other languages thanks to AI tools like DeepL and Google Translate. Security and military personnel. Loss of human life is a matter of great concern for the militaries and security agencies worldwide. Therefore, more companies are now considering how AI can be used to replace human workers and reduce the risk of human loss in military operations. Better and cheaper cameras that can operate in low-light conditions are already reducing the role of security guards. AI is also changing how wars will be fought on future battlefields. While the infantry will still be on the battlefield, human counterparts can stay out of harm's way longer thanks to the robots. In concept, these robots are very similar to security guards, except that they can use deadly weapons. The first versions, one is already deployed by the Israeli military, are vehicle-based, with the potential to move autonomously. Surgical assistance. Artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics advancements have opened up truly revolutionary possibilities for doctors and surgeons. Considering that robotic doctors are perfectly capable of performing critical operations, they are expected to take over the surgical assistant role entirely. Also, robotic doctors can eliminate the chances of human error in surgeries. A robot called Smart Tissue Autonomous Robot, STAR, has already performed successful keyhole surgery on pigs without human assistance. Pharmaceutical labs are using AI technology to speed up the research and discovery of new drugs and improve internal pharmaceutical processes. Courier services. Multinational corporations like Walmart and Amazon are already working on replacing delivery people with robots and drones. Although drone delivery is being implemented gradually, it will surely take over courier services in the future. Artificial intelligence is helping these companies streamline various supply chain and logistics functions. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.